Biafra Republic government in exile. The PM will be Simon Ekpa have finally launched a Biafra army, resistant fighter and others today. No be small thing, no. They say for the whole street now, army na come fulamo. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. I bet you if today is the first time we come across this wonderful channel and you know say you never subscribe, may you quickly go subscribe. If you know say you never follow our Facebook page, I don't know what you dey wait. Now this same name will there for all social media. May you try to follow us for everywhere. We dey there kadagba. Before we quickly jump into the story wey carry us come here today, may we tell you one thing, because the things are happening. We are here to bring you bonge news for all part of the world, everywhere for Biafra land as they happen, both for Nigeria. No be small thing. Now may we go knock the hammer for the head of the nail, making shout bam. They says the PM will be Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile, don't finally launch Biafra army resistant fighter. They may know if you see people, they may need we launch for that place. Okay, no problem. I'll go show you the video. May you watch it and see them with your own korokoro eyes. As I they look for here with my own korokoro eyes, you know, see our own work and anywhere where would they pass. They say, "Come see you." Now we'll go quickly go there, go turn our camera, they look and come here, come bring you the bongo news. May you see. May you watch the video before we come back and continue. Right, left, 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 right,
The general. The general. Biafra is here. As you can see, Biafra is here.
I didn't mean now one it don't take.
This is the Biafra national anthem.
Seven rows, 14 rows, 21 rows. I love to go. One, beat.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and see the battalion, Ubunigwe battalion and others for inside that video. No be smart, you know. Simon Ekpa say after the convention, say Nigeria go collect water for in hand, and as they finish now, he come dey show his army and say, see what I can do. He say he can do it too, as in talk no be smart thing. My people, you know, say when we bring you information, we will still leave you. May you contribute to put to, may you tell us what be your opinion for this army where you see, and when we will know what you think for this video where you don't watch. No be smart thing. May we talk for comment section. No, may we know what they go on for inside that place. This one shock me. The army no be smart thing. If you say kala, if you say granoto, you go shake, your nyash go do papa. Hello my people. Don't forget to share this video, you get why, and don't forget to leave your own opinion. We will talk for comment section. See you in the next update.